Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, tandoori chicken using a combination of mixed spices and herbs. So before we jump right into today's recipe, please take a moment to subscribe and welcome. So my friend, for this recipe I will leave a full list of ingredients and measurement below. So my friend, for this recipe I'll be using 2 quarter legs. You certainly can adjust that amount. Next I'm going to go right ahead and just give them a slight cut for seasoning purpose. Next, a combination of mixed spices. You just want to go right ahead and just give it a good mix, and also want to go ahead and add a bit of oil for easy cooking. So my friend, if you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. On this channel I bring you guys the most simplest and easiest recipe you can put together in little or no time. So my friend, for easy cooking and base rub, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. So my friend, before I go ahead and add my wet rub, I'm just going to go ahead and add a bit of black pepper and also anato seasoning, which will give your chicken a lovely color. So my friend, after you add your wet rub, next for easy cooking, you want to go ahead and baste with a bit of sesame oil. So my friend, for additive taste and flavor, I'm just going to go ahead and add a bit of smoked paprika. You certainly can omit that. Next, for easy cooking at 350 degrees, 25 to 30 minutes or as needed. So my friend, after 30 minutes, you're all done. For our presentation purpose, a bit of chopped parsley and also bell pepper. So my friend, how easy was that? Tandoori oven baked chicken. I hope you enjoyed the video recipe and also my cooking. For some of our latest video, Please consider subscribing for more easy video recipe. Until next time.